Olive oil is often hailed as a superfood, especially for those over 60 who are looking to maintain their health and vitality. However, many people are unknowingly cooking with olive oil in ways that can strip it of its incredible benefits. Today, let's explore why it's time to stop cooking olive oil like this and how you can preserve its goodness. First, it's essential to understand what makes olive oil so special. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties, olive oil is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet. These compounds contribute to heart health, brain function, and overall longevity, making it a perfect addition to your diet as you age. But did you know that the way you cook with olive oil can greatly impact its nutritional value? Many people mistakenly use olive oil for high-heat cooking, such as frying or sautéing at very high temperatures. When heated beyond its smoke point, which is around 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius for extra virgin olive oil, it begins to break down. This not only diminishes its flavor but also leads to the formation of harmful compounds that can negate its health benefits. So, what should you do instead? Embrace low to medium heat cooking techniques when using olive oil. This preserves its unique flavor and health benefits, allowing you to enjoy its goodness fully. Instead of frying, try roasting vegetables at a lower temperature or using olive oil in salad dressings where it can shine without heat. Another common mistake is reusing olive oil multiple times. Each time you heat it, the oil degrades further, losing its nutrients and flavor. If you've used olive oil for frying, it's best to discard it after one use to ensure you're getting the most out of your oil. Now, let's talk about storage. Many people store their olive oil in clear bottles or near the stove, exposing it to heat and light. To keep your olive oil fresh and beneficial, store it in a dark, cool place, ideally in a dark glass bottle. This will protect it from oxidation and help maintain its quality longer. It's also important to choose the right type of olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is the highest quality and has the most health benefits due to its minimal processing. Look for oils that are cold-pressed and have a harvest date on the label to ensure freshness. When you invest in high-quality olive oil, you're not just buying a cooking ingredient, you're investing in your health. Incorporating olive oil into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Drizzle it over steamed vegetables, use it as a dip for whole grain bread, or blend it into your smoothies for a nutritious boost. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are boundless. As you age, it's crucial to focus on foods that nourish your body. Olive oil is one of those foods that can truly enhance your health and well-being. By cooking with it mindfully, you can maximize its benefits and enjoy its rich flavors. Let's not forget about the joy of cooking. Using olive oil in your meals can elevate your dishes and make healthy eating a delightful experience. Experiment with different recipes, discover how olive oil can transform your meals. Remember, it's not just about avoiding mistakes, it's also about embracing a positive approach to cooking and nutrition. Share your culinary creations with family and friends, making mealtime a joyful occasion filled with love and health. As you incorporate olive oil into your daily routine, you'll likely notice the difference in how you feel. It's time to make the switch and elevate your cooking game with olive oil. Together, we can savor the many benefits of this incredible oil while enjoying the process of cooking. So, put down that frying pan and embrace the world of flavorful, healthy cooking with olive oil. Let's celebrate the goodness of olive oil and commit to cooking it the right way. Your health journey is one that deserves care and attention, and olive oil is here to support you every step of the way.